take you where your mind goes. Now you must decide. Will you stay down or keep trying? What is faith but wings for flying? There's no end to up, it goes on forever. Don't look down, don't look round. Just look to the mountains of the moon. Hey, Eureka, 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 When you don't know where you're going and you don't know who you could be, there's one thing for sure. You've been down, you know what's down there. You served your time on the ground there. There you got to fly, there's nothing else for you.
Every inventor knows that to see if his idea works, he must be willing to try it and keep on trying. But the true genius is the one who gets someone else to try out his invention for him.